Hey everyone, welcome back to Financify. In today's video, I'll show you how to quickly get your Monese bank statement right from your mobile app. Let's get started. First, launch the Monese app on your mobile device and make sure you are logged into your account. If not, enter your login details. Once logged in, you will see your account dashboard. Once on the dashboard, tap the three-dot menu at the top left corner of the screen. Then select Get a Statement from the drop-down menu. Now, tap on the Statements or Fee Statements section. This is typically at the top or in the main menu of your account page. You will see a list of available statements. Choose the date range or statement period you need. If the app allows you to customize the date range, select the specific dates using the provided calendar tool. Tap on the statement you selected. You will have an option to download or share it. Tap Download to save the statement as a PDF on your phone. Alternatively, tap Share to send it directly via email or other apps. Once downloaded, check your phone's Downloads folder or your preferred document app to ensure the statement is saved. If you shared it, confirm that it was sent to the desired recipient. And that's it. You now know how to download or share your Monese bank statement directly from your phone. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more financial tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching Financify, and I'll see you in the next video.